Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix Twitter sensitive content not showing problem. Let's fix it guys. The first solution is to add filter for Twitter. To do this, you just need to open up browser and search for Chrome Web Store. Click on the site and search for uBlock origin. Select uBlock origin. Select add to Chrome. Select add extension. After adding it, select the puzzle icon and select uBlock origin pin mark. Select it and after that click on it and click on the setting icon and select my filters. Now you just need to check my video description for these codes used in my video. Copy these codes. After that just paste it. After pasting it, select apply changes. After doing this, you just need to close and reopen the Chrome guys. Just close it and reopen the Chrome and check if the problem solved or not. If the problem not solved, let's move on to the second solution guys. The second solution is to use stylish extension. To do this, you just need to open up Chrome and search for Chrome Web Store. Click on the site, search for stylus, press enter. Comes up stylish, click on it. Click on add to Chrome, select add extension. After adding the extension, click on the puzzle icon and select the stylish pin icon and then click on the stylish. After doing this, you just need to check my video description for this link used in my video. You just need to scroll down and select the install option. Now select install style and style is installed. After getting installed, you just need to close it off here and reopen the Chrome and check if the problem solved or not. I hope one of these solutions fixed your problem guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.